How to import and animate SVG files in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I open Davinci and I'm on the Fusion page. From Fusion menu, select Import SVG. Double-click on your SVG file to open it. Set its width and height and click OK. Connect the SVG node to the media out, and now we have this image. Double-click on the SVG group to expand it. Here you can see that Davinci created a path for each part of the image, like the lights and the body. To change the color of the SVG, click on the background node, and in the inspector, select a color. Now let's animate some of these paths like the lights, for example. By clicking on paths 4 and 6 you can see that they are the lights. Select path 4 and move the playhead to the start, then decrease length to 0 and click on diamond button to create a keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 10 and increase length to 1, this will create the second keyframe. Do the same thing for path 6, which is for other light. And now this SVG file has some animations. We can go to the edit page and use the SVG file. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.